Hello, hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm Richard and I'm demonstrating today two new products from Bumble, which are the Go Big Treatment and Great Body Blow Dry Cream, designed for finer hair types to build body and volume. We have Emma here, who's going to be our perfect model, as she's got the perfect hair type. Her hair is quite lank. There's a lot of it, but individually very fine. So we're going to demonstrate using our products on Emma today. So just to tell you a little bit about them, our Go Big Treatment, first of all, both the products, and specifically this one here, is enriched with umbilica, which apparently is found in mascaras to build and give you extra volume and thicken. Perhaps you ladies may familiarise yourself with that, maybe familiar with it, I'm not. But either way, that's what it has in it. I promise I'm not. Anyway, the one big difference with our two new products from Bumble though, is that often with volumizing and bodybuilding products, they can leave your hair feeling quite dry afterwards. They can give all the support and body that you need, but often they make your hair feel quite, just quite dry. So firstly we have the Go Big Treatment, which doesn't just swell and give support to each individual hair strand, it also leaves your hair feeling really lovely and soft, manageable and great. And secondly, our Great Body Blow Dry Cream. Blow dry creams are great for smoothening and softening your hair. This gives an awful lot of support and structure, but again, whilst giving your hair lots of body and volume, leaves it really malleable and really soft to the touch. Great for hydrating also as well. So we're going to demonstrate that on Emma's hair. As I said before, Emma's got the perfect hair type. It's quite lank, which means it clings to her scalp. She needs to use a lot of product to often get lots of body and volume. But Emma here also as well, and maybe you've had this problem. She's not that it's a problem, you newly had a baby, but often a lot of your hair does fall out and it leaves you with little tufts around your hairline. So we're going to demonstrate also as well how for Emma and perhaps yourself as well, we'll be able to solve that. So we're on with the demonstration.
Next level.
Now this is a weird thing about both these. When you put these three together, you can literally feel the hair being more bouncy and buoyant. Strictly speaking, we don't need to use thickening hairspray with the other two Bumble products, but I am going to, mainly because around your hairline here, I'm just going to put quite a lot of thickening spray, and as we wipe that into the hair, it just gives a little bit more extra control with the little bits of fuzzies that when we blow dry it out, we'll leave it nice and soft, but it will prevent it from going bing like that. Hey, it did last time, didn't it? When I blow dried your hair, did it hold it alright?
Quite a few days actually.
Next level.
Okay, so we're just sectioning the top of Em's hair off. So we're doing here a classic Bumble round brush blow dry, which is based on the old French round brush bristle blow dry technique. And the theory is, if you want body and volume, then you start with the area of the hair that's most likely to drop first. And for Em, that'll be, and for most people, will be the top.
Next level.
So that's Emma's blow dry done. We're just going to leave that to cool completely, and then we're going to drop these pins out, give it a bit of a brush out, and do the final shape. Little tip for you then, if you want to have naturally bigger hair anyway, Em's hair, you probably saw at the beginning, is very, very straight. So this is going to help to give her a little bit of extra movement and body. Great little tip for you when you have blow dried your hair whilst it's still nice and hot. If you do, just give it a little pin, little roll and pin like this through the top and at least off the sides there as well. Gives you a nice clean base to put your makeup on, keeps your hair out of the way, and as it's cooling, it'll create lots more body and volume for you. So there's our finished result, there's our finished blow dry. That's without any finishing products at the moment because we just wanted to show you how thickening is controlled Emma's hairline for her. If you remember at the start, she had these like little horns that kind of just stick straight out. So thickening, because we've wiped an awful lot of that through and then blow dried it in, this is the kind of effect it gives you. It just gives you a little bit more control. If you're going to wear it like this anyway, completely off your face. Sometimes a little trick, we told Emma to do this actually last time when we were doing her hair, is actually to wear her hair on the opposite parting. But for the purpose of the video today, we thought we'd demonstrate that you don't always have to do that. With the right products, you can control those little problematic areas of your hair. Just going to finish off with a little bit of BB Bumble and Bumble dry spun texture. Again, just to keep those roots even more. Create a bit of extra texture. This product, wherever you spray it, you have to just make sure it's not just a spray, it's a texture spray. So to get it to do what it is supposed to, which give you lots and lots more body and hold, and just give your hair a little bit of an extra tease. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of our fabulous new Gold Big treatment and great body blow dry cream, and like the finished result. It feels so super soft in Emma's hair, but you can see already it's just got so much body, so much movement in it, but it is non-sticky whatsoever. It gives a really nice finishing result for any blow dry. So thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video. Bye!
Bye!
Okay.
My name's Richard.
You don't have to say
No, I'm not going to say mine.
You don't have to say your name again.
I know, say my name. Sorry, I feel like... Right, so what am I supposed to say again? What you...
Are you ready to go?
That's it.
Okay. Yeah, not you, Rems.
Wait till he puts his hair for now.
So what? Look at her. I hope you
okay,
enjoyed the demonstration.
okay.
Look how gorgeous it's done it. Blah, 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 blah.
Okay.
Come on, Rick. Sell the product.
Alright, okay. Right.